Hi, McKenzie.
Well, hello, Jess. How are you?
Good. As everyone can tell, we are still filming remotely, socially distanced. It's now December and I miss you. What I'm really excited is to learn about our brand new product, our Squalane Plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Wait,
Woo!
be a
Here.
YouTuber.
Lovely. Yes, we're so happy that we still have this system in place for us to do these 4 things to know videos, especially when we have such an amazing new serum product launch that we have to talk about and just make sure everybody understands how this is so unique and why it's just going to be perfect in their skincare routine.
Right. So like any good distance learning, you will be the teacher. I will be the student, totally engaged. And the 4 things I'm going to learn today are: what does it do? Why is it so effective? How to use it and who it's for. So I'm excited to learn all of those.
First things first though, have you tried it?
No, I haven't. So I literally, the box is right here. I just took it out of the box before we started filming. And it just says 1 to 2 pumps. Okay, so as I rub it into my hand, I wish I could rub it into my face, but it's like my first time wearing makeup since our last 4 things to know. So I'm going to leave it on my hand as I rub it in.
I'm glad you are presentable for me today. That makes sense. So what is this absolutely incredible serum? This serum is a targeted treatment that actually addresses dark spots, this nebulous term of hyperpigmentation. It's going to help to visibly diminish the dark spots you see on the skin now, but it also helps prevent the formation of dark spots in the future. So it's a really awesome serum that has a very specific concern, but it also has 10% vitamin C, which is a powerhouse antioxidant. So it's just a really healthy serum for all skin types. Basically what you need to know is that it's a targeted serum that focuses on dark spots with 10% vitamin C.
Okay, so there's a lot to unpack there. All of it sounds great. Dark spots, some brightening. We all love vitamin C, but let's talk about why ours is so special and so effective. So you mentioned 10%. Why is that the magic number?
Yes. So when it comes to efficacy, formula is king or formula is queen, whoever you want to worship. When the formula is precise and perfectly calibrated, it's going to work amazing on your skin. So we chose 10% vitamin C. It's a water-soluble, super stable form of vitamin C that is going to be potent enough to deliver the results. I will say, if you're super brand new to vitamin C, start with once or twice a week. But we have had so many people be really happy with using this every single day.
Okay. So 10% magic number because it's strong enough to work, but not so strong that 1, it's not EWG certified, right? And then 2, sensitivity. I don't have to worry about it as much.
Exactly. Here's the thing with skincare ingredients, there sometimes are different percentages, but bigger percentages don't always equal bigger results. I would not want to choose a vitamin C that has such a high percentage that seems like, ooh, I'm so cool, I'm a high percentage. But you have such a high possibility of instability and it causing irritation on the skin. So no, thank you. I'm going to go with the clinically proven 10%. I know it's going to work. Thank you very much.
Got it.
The reason we love vitamin C, and I totally joke with some of my friends that vitamin C is the Beyonce of skincare ingredients.
Okay, we love Beyonce.
Yes. And that's because vitamin C is so good at visibly brightening the skin. It's a super potent antioxidant. And it's also, vitamin C is necessary for collagen production. So when you use this serum, you're helping to keep that skin nice and firm and plump, brighter, more even skin tone. Vitamin C is good no matter what, 20s, 30s, 40s, 80s, 90s, 100s, let's use some vitamin C.
So vitamin C, love all of that. Love that it's Beyonce. But the name here also has dark spot. Is vitamin C our secret dark spot corrector, or is there something else in here that's calling that?
You're asking a really good question because again, with our formula, what is the precise mixture of ingredients to give us this ability to tackle such a hard thing as dark spots? We combine the 10% vitamin C with white shiitake mushroom extract.
Ooh, okay. Tell me more about that. I know what a shiitake is. I like it in a veggie burger, but what does it do to my face?
Well, this ingredient is actually super cool because it basically targets the exact excess pigment in the skin, the stuff that's actually creating the dark spot, and helps to flush it out of the skin faster. Now, this is not bleaching, nothing like that. No bleaching of any sort. This is actually just helping to even out your skin tone.
Got it. So it's like the perfect little pair, right? Because like vitamin C brightens, it firms, it kind of evens skin tone, but then to really tackle those like dark, stubborn spots, that's where like white shiitake comes in.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't have to worry if, I'm more tan, that it's going to kind of like bleach me out or anything. I think we have some good before and afters. I was like peeking around and I could really see it brighten and like get rid of those dark spots and almost like make the skin look more youthful. So it's like a powerful 1-2 punch, like short-term, long-term results. Like if you just want beautiful, glowing skin, like this is the serum for you.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about then how to use this.
Aha. So the best way to use a serum, let's talk about where it goes in your routine. Ideally, it would come after cleansing, but before moisturizer and sunscreen.
So wash my face. And then if I want to do a mask, do I do that first and then do the serum?
I wanted to bring in this wonderful mask. Let me get nice and tight there. This is the glycolic renewal mask. This is a fabulous alpha hydroxy acid mask, helps with exfoliation, and it's the one that I would pair with using the vitamin C dark spot serum maybe 1 to 3 times a week, because using a really good exfoliation mask is priming your skin to get the most out of this vitamin C dark spot serum. So yes, mask after cleansing.
Okay, so mask after cleansing, and then I can go in with this serum. We have a lot of other amazing serums, so can I use them all at the same time?
You really don't need to cocktail the Biossance serums together and apply them at the same time. You can get the benefit out of sort of cycling them into your routine throughout the week. So we do have 3 amazing Biossance serums, and I would actually recommend a day serum and a night serum depending on your concern. So if we are going with the dark spot or just evening out complexion, I would definitely use the vitamin C dark spot serum in my morning skincare routine. And in the evening, I would switch to the lactic acid resurfacing night serum. Just to let you know which serums can go at which time of day, the vitamin C dark spot serum can be used both morning and night. The phytoretinol serum can also be used morning and night. So you could have just these 2 and choose. And then always use the lactic acid serum in the evening.
Right.
That's where it should go.
Got it. So it's kind of like pick your own adventure when it comes to the serums and like what you want to get out of it. Okay. And then seal it with a moisturizer. And then I know we have another vitamin C, or one of my favorites are vitamin C rose oil. So how does that work with this one? I typically put rose oil at the end after my moisturizer and my serums.
That's exactly where one should put the vitamin C rose oil. That is perfect at the end of your routine, either on top of your moisturizer, mixed with your moisturizer, or as your moisturizing step, because that is a luxurious hydrating oil. Its main purpose is hydration, and you get a little bit of added benefits of radiance and glow from an oil-soluble form of vitamin C. But if you're really looking for a corrective and preventative treatment, that's where the serum comes in. Using them together in your routine, serum, moisturizer, face oil, you just amplify the brightening effects.
Got it. Okay, that sounds good. And then lastly, who's it for? So you mentioned that even if you have sensitive skin, that this vitamin C works for. I also forgot to point out, as I like pump some on my hand and I keep going to smell it, there's no scent, right? This is a fragrance-free formula.
Completely. You are not going to get any notes of anything off of this. It's just a fragrance-free formula, which is great for those who are sensitive to fragrance.
So it's good for sensitive skin. It's good for anyone kind of looking to combat hyperpigmentation, or that really other long one that you said that I'm not going to even try to say.
Yes, the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Yeah, so many syllables, right? But you're basically saying everything correct. You want to use this if you see dark spots now, or if you want to prevent dark spots from forming in the future, or if you want a really awesome antioxidant-rich vitamin C serum. So this is really good for even all skin types, all skin tones, and you can start using this in your late teens, 20s, all the way up, all the skin decades, all the ages of life. You can definitely use this and get a benefit from it.
Got it. Okay, that sounds great. Well, I feel more educated. I hope all of the viewers at home feel more educated and are excited for this new product. I'm excited. Probably the next time you see me one day in real life, my skin is going to look bright and beautiful.
I think we all need to embrace the cocoon of 2020 so that we can come out of it as beautiful butterflies. The other side of this, I am determined to imagine, is just no dark spots and butterflies.
Well, I know we've all been singing the dark days are over. So that's this, right?
Again, that was so beautiful.
I'm tone deaf. I know I am. So we don't need to hear about that in the comments.
No, that's a great call out. Please comment, let us know. But man, I am excited for this serum. We now have such a good collection of serums in the Biossance range.
I loved learning the 4 things I need to know about our new Squalane Plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. So
Yes. Thank you so
I'm
much
here
for
for you, and you are always a bright spot in the day. But thanks for walking me through it.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Jess. And I can't wait to see you soon.
Yeah,
Bye,
bye.
everybody.